Canada Day, celebrated on July 1st, is a significant national holiday that commemorates the formation of Canada as a federal dominion in 1867. It is a day of immense pride and unity for Canadians, as they come together to honor their country's history, values, and cultural diversity. The festivities include parades, concerts, fireworks displays, and various outdoor activities that bring communities together. Canada Day is not only a time for celebration, but also an opportunity for reflection, as Canadians reflect on the accomplishments and progress made as a nation, and reaffirm their commitment to the principles of freedom, equality, and inclusivity that define Canada. On Canada Day, the distinctive red and white Canadian flag is proudly displayed throughout the country, symbolizing the unity and pride of the nation. Canadians often gather with family and friends to enjoy barbecues, picnics, and other outdoor gatherings. It is a day filled with joy, patriotism, and a sense of belonging as Canadians across the country join in the festivities. Canada Day is not only a celebration of the country's past, but also a reminder of the shared values that bring Canadians together, making it a truly special and cherished occasion for all.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us.